I'm not fighting in my own strength anymore. Got a better way to win this war. Every piece you give me has a place. Truth and righteousness, faith and grace. Faith and grace. I'm ready for whatever comes my way, 'cause I'm covered by your name. Put on the full armor of God so that I can take my stand against the devil's schemes. I'm not fighting alone. Got heaven in my hands. Belt of truth around my waist. Breastplate guarding all my faith. Put on the full armor of God, and I'm standing firm today. My feet are ready with the gospel peace. My shield of faith won't let me retreat. The sword of spirit, helmet, salvation on. I'm dressed for battle, I'm moving strong. Moving strong. I'm ready for whatever comes my way, 'cause I'm covered by your name. Put on the full armor of God so that I can take my stand against the devil's schemes. I'm not fighting alone. Got heaven in my hand. Belt of truth around my waist. Breastplate guarding all my faith. All my on the full armor of God, and I'm standing firm today. I'm suited up, I'm covered head to toe. Every weapon that I need, you already chose. I'm standing on the victory you've won. The battle's yours, the fight is done. I'm suited up, I'm covered head to toe. Every weapon that I need, you already chose. I'm standing on the victory you've won. Victory you've won. Armor of God so that I can take my stand against the day. I'm not fighting alone. Got heaven in my head. Belt of truth around my waist. Breastplate guarding all my faith. Put on the full armor of God, and I'm standing firm today. Standing firm.
Before the stars were hung in place, before the earth knew time and space, you saw me standing in your mind. A love like this I'll never find. Never find. You didn't wait to see what I'd become. Your choice was made before I'd even begun. He chose us in love before the creation of the world, to be holy and blameless in His sight. I was wanted before I took my first breath, love before my first step. This isn't something that I earned, it's grace I'm still learning. He chose us in love before the creation of the world, and that changes everything. I used to think I had to prove my worth, fighting just to know what I deserve. But you decided long ago that I was yours and you were mine to know. Mine to know. You didn't wait to see chose us in love before the creation of the world, to be holy and blameless His sight. I was wanted before I took my first breath, love before my first step. This isn't something that I earned, it's grace I'm still learning. He chose us in love before the creation of the world, and that changes everything. Before I knew your name, you knew mine. Before I searched for you, I was already found. Before I could love you back, you loved me first. This is the foundation I'm standing on. Knew your name, you knew mine. Before I searched for you, I was already found. Before I could love you back, you loved me first. You loved me first. You chose us in love before the creation of the world, to be holy and blameless in His sight. I was wanted before I took my first breath, before my first step, before my first step. This is the sign. He chose us in love before the creation of the world, and that changes everything. Changes everything. Changes everything. When the chaos comes and everything's undone, when the noise is loud and I can't hear the sound of anything but fear surrounding me, you speak and suddenly I remember who you are. You're the stillness in my heart. He Himself is our peace. You're my calm, you're my still. Your peace when I'm broken, when the world tries to steal. Every wall comes down, every fear falls silent now. He Himself is our peace, and you're all I need. I don't have to fight or figure it all out. I don't have to strive to make you come around, 'cause you're already here, already close. You're the peace I need the most, need the most. I remember who you are. You're the stillness in my heart. He Himself is our peace. You're my calm, you're my still. Your peace when I'm broken, when the world tries to steal. Every wall comes down, every fear falls silent now. He Himself is our peace. You're all I need. Not a feeling, not a place, but a person, face to face. You're the peace that holds me close when I need you, Lord, the most. Not a feeling, not a place, but a person, face to face. You're the peace that holds me close, holds me close. He Himself is our peace. You're my calm, you're my still. Your peace when I'm broken, when the world tries to steal, when it all falls apart. Every wall comes down, every fear falls silent now. He Himself is our peace, and you're all I need. You're all
You're all I need. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Da 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 da. I've read the words 1,000 times, but now I need to see beyond the lines. There's a deeper truth I'm longing for, a revelation at my core. At my core, I don't just wanna know about you, I wanna see the way you do. I pray that the eyes of my heart may be enlightened in order that I may know the hope to which you've called me. Open up my spiritual sight, let me see beyond what's visible tonight. What's visible, not just information, but revelation. Show me what you see. I pray that the eyes of my heart may be enlightened. Lord, awaken me. There's a calling written on my life, but I need your vision, not just mine. Help me understand the riches you have planned and the power working through your hand. I don't just wanna know about you, I wanna see the way you do. I pray that the eyes of my heart may be enlightened in order that I may know the hope to which you've called me. Open up my spiritual sight, let me see beyond what's visible tonight. Not just information, but revelation. Show me what you see. I pray that the eyes of my heart may be enlightened. Lord, awaken me. Awaken my soul to see your glory. Awaken my mind to know your purpose. Awaken my heart to feel your presence. Open my eyes, open my eyes. Awaken my soul to see your glory. Awaken my mind to know your purpose. Awaken my heart to feel your presence. I pray that the eyes of my heart may be enlightened in order that I may know the hope to which you've called me. Open up my spiritual sight, let me see beyond what's visible tonight. Not just information, but revelation. Show me what you see. I pray that the eyes of my heart may be enlightened. Lord, awaken me. Awaken me. Awaken me. It's easy to love when everything's good, when people act the way I think they should. But you're calling me to something more, a love that looks beyond what I'm fighting for. You're teaching me a better way to love like you do every day. Be completely humble and gentle, be patient, bearing with one another in love. It's not about being right, it's about loving right. Laying down my pride, choosing grace instead, holding space for what you said. Be completely humble and gentle, that's how I love. I used to think that strength was standing tall, but you showed me powers in the way I fall to my knees and choose to understand that love requires a gentler hand, a gentler hand. You're teaching me a better way to love like you do every day. Be completely humble and gentle, be patient, bearing with one another in love. It's not about being right, it's about loving right. Laying down my pride, choosing grace instead, holding space for what you said. Be completely humble and gentle. Oh, that's how I love. When I'm tempted to react, help me choose to love them back. When my patience starts to break, let your spirit lead the way. When I'm tempted to react, help me choose to love them back. When my patience starts to break, be completely humble and gentle, be patient, bearing with one another in love. It's not about being right, it's about loving right. Laying down my choosing grace instead, holding space for what you said. Be completely